Welcome to AI YouTube channel. Starting a backyard poultry farm in Nigeria can be a profitable business if done right. Here is a step-by-step guide tailored to the Nigerian context. Step 1 is to decide on the type of poultry. Broilers, which are meant for meat, are known to be fast growth and are sold between 6 to 8 weeks. The second type of poultry is layers. Layers are known for egg production and they usually start laying around 5 to 6 months. The third type of poultry, which is common, is broilers. Broilers are kind of hybrid birds that are hardy and dual purpose. They are raised for meat and for egg production. Most beginners in poultry often start with broilers. This is because for quicker returns. Now, the second step is space and housing. You don't need much land. A small backyard or compound is enough for this business. All you just need to do is build a simple poultry house with good ventilation, protection from rain, sun, and predators, and thirdly, proper drainage and easy cleaning. Once you have this, once you have a space of 10 feet by 10 feet, you should be able to raise 50 to 100 broilers or layers in that space. The third point is to buy healthy chicks. Make sure to get your day-old chicks, otherwise known as DOC, from reputable hatcheries. For example, we have Agrited, we have Zatec, we have Amor, we have CHI, and many others. And also make sure that you buy vaccines and starter feed along with the chicks. Make sure to avoid roadside or unverified suppliers. This might come along with sick chicks, which will likely ruin your business. The fourth step is feeding and management. Make sure to use commercial feed, starter, grower, finisher, or formulate your own if you have experience. Make sure to also provide clean water at all times and practice strict hygiene. Make sure to disinfect regularly and remove the waste daily. You can also add multivitamins and antibiotics to their water as the need arises. The fifth step is vaccination and health. Make sure to follow a simple vaccination schedule, and this includes administration of Lassa vaccine, Gumboro vaccine, and also watch out for signs of diseases, and this may include droppy eyes, ruffled feathers, diarrhea. And if you don't understand any of the signs that your birds are showing, then consult a vet. The sixth step is cost and profit estimate. We are going to use broilers as an example. The cost estimate for 100 broilers, as at when making this video, is around 55,000 naira in Nigeria. And the starter feed they will use is roughly 100,000. Vaccine and drugs should be around 10,000. Building a house for the poultry farm should not be more than 40,000, let's say for 50 beds or even 100 beds. And you have miscellaneous expenses of 10,000 naira. At the end of the day, you have a total of 215,000 naira for a broiler farm at your backyard. Now, you can sell each of these broilers at a cost of 4,000 to 6,000 naira, depending on the size and the market demand. And if this is done, your expected income should be between 4 500 to 600,000. In all this, within 6 to 8 weeks, your profit should be around 200 to 300,000 naira within 6 to 8 weeks. Then, the most the most disturbing aspect of it is marketing your birds. Because they are few, you can sell to neighbors. You can also sell to restaurants and hotels. You can sell to the market traders. Alternatively, you can also sell online via WhatsApp group, Instagram, Facebook, Gigi, and many other social media platforms. You can also decide to dress the chicken, clean and package them, and sell. And mind you, this will give you a higher profit because processing increases your profits. Then the eighth step is to start small, then you scale higher. There is nothing wrong in you beginning with 50 to 100 bets, and once you get the experience, you now have the option to reinvest your profit and expand. I have a bonus tip for you, and the bonus tip is how you can be successful. All you need to do if you don't have experience is to join various poultry WhatsApp groups or Facebook groups. For instance, a very common one is poultry farming in Nigeria on Facebook. You can join them and learn from co-farmers. Also, make sure to keep good records. This will include expenses, mortality, and sales. With this, you will know if you are running at loss or making profits. The another bonus tip I have for you is that try as much as possible to visit experienced farmers or training centers for hands-on knowledge. Remember, no knowledge is lost. Thanks, and please subscribe, like, share for others to benefit. Thanks.